Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on this Tuesday, Assam and we Assamese celebrated the Magh Bihu, which is known as the annual harvest festival. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the recipe of one of the most favorite pitha recipe of mine, which is known as the idli pitha. But before that, this is a glance of the local market here at my hometown before the Uruka night feasting. So as you can see that the demand for traditional food items goes up with people in this time of the year, because it's feasting time and the local vendors comes up with different delicacies, which is seasonal and ethnic delicacies, from milk products to fish and veggies and also sweets and snacks. So yeah, even I have picked up a number of food items and I'm ready to enjoy it the whole week. Now let's begin today's recipe. that's it for today, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.